it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking to get more organized in your home? Something that we really struggle with in our home is keeping our shoes neat. I feel like no matter what we do, it's always such a mess wherever we keep our shoes. So I am so grateful to have this shoe rack.
This is by the brand Choclaif, and I have it here in the 5 tier, which I think is the perfect size to store so many shoes.
I think this would be perfect for like a garage or a basement or a walk-in closet, something like that. But also because it's made of this really pretty bamboo, I feel totally fine keeping this out where we might see it. It was so easy to put together because it just collapses and then you just open it right up. So this is super simple for storage. This is the 5 tier, which holds so much, but I also have the 3 tier, which I really love because that is small enough where I'm able to actually keep it on a shelf in my closet. So I'm able to really maximize my space in there and able to store a bunch of shoes. So if you are looking for a fantastic shoe rack to help you stay more organized and to get those unsightly piles of shoes neatly put away, I highly recommend checking this one out. They have the different options in different sizes depending on your space, but I think you're going to be really happy with the quality, with the look, with the setup, and with how neat your home is. But that's just my point of view.